see, we have one more surprise.
Okay. Mrs. Shepherd!
What is that?
I didn't know! Mrs. Shepherd!
Wow, here, turn it around so everybody can see. Wow!
What's that? Mrs. Shepherd! What's that? Wow!
I think these are surprises in here. Well, there's-
Why is it? Look, I was open to see the surprise we have here. Let's open surprises. Surprises. Mima, let's open it.
Wow.
Let's open. Let's open.
Okay, who do we have here? We have Birthday Diana and Ballerina Diana. That's Happy Birthday Diana.
This is a happy birthday.
Okay, so now you have all 6 of the little Dianas. Okay. You love to change their clothes. Okay, here, let's put the Mr. Shopper up here. First of all, before you continue to play, what do we say to everyone? Thank you for watching my videos. I love you. I love you more. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.